Activity 6. You had investigated the sewage disposal system of your locality in class 7. Can you remember how the sewage was collected from your home and where it went thereafter? Solution for the activity. The underground network of small and big pipes called sewers carries the sewage from the point of production to the point of disposal, that is treatment plant. Activity 18.7. Let us construct a water filter with simple everyday materials. Take a plastic bottle and cut it into two halves at the center. Use the upper half as a funnel by putting it upside down in the lower half. Make layers in it with paper, napkin or a fine cloth followed by cotton, sand and then gravel. Now pour dirty water through the filter and observe the filtered water. Potable water. Water which is suitable for drinking is called potable water. The water which is fit for drinking because it is clean and transparent. The pH level of this water is 7. There are no microorganisms present in this water. So, how can we make our water safe for drinking purpose? Let us have a look at this. Ways to make water fit for drinking. First one, filtration. You have already seen how water is filtered. This is a physical method of removing impurities. A popular household filter is a candle type filter. There is reverse osmosis system present in such filters which make water pure. Second one, boiling. Many households use boiling as a method for obtaining safe drinking water. Boiling kills the germs present in the water. Chlorination. Chlorination is a commonly used chemical method for purifying water. It is done by adding chlorine tablets or bleaching powder to the water. We must be cautious. We should not use more chlorine tablets than specified. Laws for industrial units should be strictly implemented so that polluted water is not disposed of directly into rivers and lakes. Water treatment plants should be installed in all industrial areas. Reusing water used for washing and for other household tasks. Water used for washing vegetables may be used to water plants in the garden. Do you know? While brushing your teeth, leaving the tap running may waste several liters of water. A tap that drips once every second wastes a few thousand liters of water every year. Think about it. We can think of creative ideas like reusing water used for washing and for other household tasks. For example, water used for washing vegetables may be used to water the plants in the garden. Reduce, reuse and recycle should be our mantra. Activity 18.8. Investigate the level of awareness about water pollution in your area. Collect data on the sources of drinking water and the methods of sewage disposal. What are the common waterborne diseases in the community? You can consult your local doctor, health worker for this. Which are the governmental and non-governmental organizations working in this field? What are the measures being taken by them for generating awareness?